I'm Sophie
Shrand.
I drove an electric car from Los Angeles to Boston and back on a coast-to-coast round-trip journey across the USA. I set out to answer 2 questions. Can it be done?
You know what?
Few and far between.
And can it be fun?
This worked out perfectly.
Along the way, I would explore the science of sustainable travel,
One of the fastest vehicles in the world.
scope out spectacular sights,
Holy toots! Do you see that?
find plenty of drama, and meet people working today to build a brighter tomorrow.
Punch it!
They have the power.
As a scientist, it's the biggest experiment I've ever done.
We've never done this before. Can you tell? Charging? What does it take?
230 hours.
Right. I might change the plan drastically today.
I set out to find the science of it all. What I found was so much more.
I'm actually a little bit scared.
It's Sophie's Great American Electric Road Trip.